Today in our virtual studio, we're going to be creating some marbled shaving cream prints. Stay tuned, and I'll tell you what you need and walk you through step by step. Let's get creating. Hi everyone, my name is Amber with Arts for Life at Brenner Children's Hospital. Welcome to our virtual studio where we believe that art is for everyone. Today we're going to be making some marbled shaving cream papers. Have you ever seen marbling before? Marbling is the pattern that you see in this paper. It almost looks like it's liquid, like a water that's flowing through the paper. You might see marbling maybe on a counter or on a floor, or maybe in a rock or in a seashell that you found outside. And it can be swirled, kind of like this one, or long, kind of like a dripping water. Well, today to make our prints, there's a few things you're going to need that you can probably find around your house. First is shaving cream, and you need the foam kind, that white foam. The gel kind won't hold the color as well. We also need some color, some food coloring that we're going to use to drop on to make all of our different patterns. You need a stick to swirl around in the shaving cream. We need some paper. Now you need this to be heavier paper, like a cardstock or a poster board or watercolor paper. Thin paper is not going to hold up in the shaving cream. And then some paper towels to wipe your hands in case they get messy. And then you need something to scrape with. That can be an old piece of cardboard like this, or maybe a popsicle stick. And then you're going to need something to put your shaving cream on. You can use a tray, you could use a plate, you could use a pan. Just make sure you check with the adult in your house to make sure that it's something that they want you to use. And then you need a surface to work on, either a table. You might want to take this one outside if it's going to get a little messy, but whatever works best for you. So I'm going to turn around my camera and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our shaving cream and we're going to put a thin layer on our tray or our plate. It doesn't have to cover everywhere. Such a funny sound. All right, now we're going to decide what colors we want to use. And we're going to put drops right on top of the shaving cream. You don't need a lot, just a drop. It's green, it's purple, it's blue. I'm going to add some yellow too. Get the bright color in here. Then we need to use our stick to swirl those colors around. And this is up to you how you want to make it. You can make it swirly, you can make a pattern of lines, you can make a grid, and you don't need to push down all the way to the bottom. You just want to swirl it around on the top. And move those colors around. Just like that. All right. Now we're going to take one of our pieces of paper and we're going to push it down lightly. You don't need to push it all the way down to the bottom. You just need to smooth it right on top of the shaving cream. Tap it all the way around. Then we're going to lift it up. And you see all that shaving cream left on our paper. So now we're going to use our scraper. Scrape off shaving cream. Now we can see our marbling. Now the shaving cream that you scraped off you can put right back on your tray or your plate. And we can use that same shaving cream again. Now you can use more of the same colors. You can add some more colors. Let me smooth out my shaving cream a little bit more. Because every time you print it, you're going to get something different. I'm going to add some pink this time. And I'm going to take my stick again and swirl around that new color. Just like that. And get another piece of paper. And press it down. Fingers are getting a little messy. That's the fun part. Alright. Peel it back. Oh, I see some new colors this time. And do the same thing we did before. Scrape it off. And now we have another one. And we can keep going with this same shaving cream. If it starts to wear down in one spot, or if the color is getting too dark in one spot, you can take your can and add some more. If you have a spot that looks a little bit empty maybe. Or if you want to change the colors a little bit. You can experiment with different types of lines, different movement, different patterns. Down our paper again. Peel it back. Get our scraper. Scrape it off, just like that. Put this back on our tray. This one I think I'm going to smooth out in a long line. It's fun to get messy, isn't it? Remember, you're washable. All right. Another print, and pull it back. Grab our scraper. Wow, look how vibrant those colors look. Isn't it beautiful? I might have to try another one of those. Alright, we add our shaving cream back. Off of our scraper. Alright, let's do the same. Smooth it out. Grab a new sheet. Press that one down. Peel it back. Grab our scraper. Hold our paper still and scrape it back. Go the other way. There we go. And we can keep on using this same shaving cream, or like I said, if that color gets too swirled together or you're ready to start with some fresh colors, you can just go ahead and add some more right on top and keep on creating. Did you have fun creating with shaving cream today? It's so fun to get messy sometimes when we're creating. The great thing about this project is you make so many beautiful marbled papers. You have your own specialty papers that you can use for art now, and you can use those for all kinds of things. You can use them to make cards to send to people, or maybe to cover up an art journal or a writing journal, or one of your notebooks for school. You can also use them to make collages. You can cut them into different shapes, or you can weave them together with different patterns. The sky's the limit. So now you have all of these great, beautiful pieces of art that you can use to make new art. Thanks so much for joining us today in our virtual art studio. I hope you come back to join us again soon. I'd love to see what you made today. Feel free to share it in the comments below. Have a great day. Remember, art's for everyone. Keep creating. Bye.